Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffro with Black Hills UTV, and today we're going to be showing you the Rhino USA folding survival shovel. This is a military style folding shovel that's made with lighter and stronger materials. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you have to dig out, having the proper tools is essential. The Rhino USA folding survival shovel is designed and engineered in the US of A. This shovel gives you 2 feet of usable leverage to dig out of any situation, whether it be sand, rocks, or mud. To use, simply pull the shovel out of its carrying case, unfold it, screw your locking ring to the right, and you're ready to dig out of any situation. Another great feature about this shovel is it can be also used in a 90-degree pickaxe position. This is a standard piece of equipment that should be in every off-road vehicle that you own.
Melt away slippery ice and snow buildup this winter with Melt Environmentally Friendly Blend, the nicer de-icer from Snow Joe. Melt EB provides a greener but equally effective alternative to more harmful de-icing agents. Whereas other products might damage wooden decks, concrete pavement, or car exteriors, Melt EB, when used as directed, can be safely applied to all of these surfaces. You can even use it around vegetation, worry-free. And it's safer for pets, safer for kids, and safer for the environment. Melt EB delivers fast, effective results with its unique formulation, enhanced with CMA for eco-friendly de-icing and dolomite for superior traction control. These environmentally benign ingredients effectively melt away ice and snow, even at temperatures as low as -15 degrees Fahrenheit. And Melt works fast, immediately upon contact. Pre-treat the surface to get even faster results. No need to go back into the cold for a second coat. Melt gets it done the first time and continues working with its time-release formula for added protection and better control of the freeze-thaw cycle. Melt comes in 3 different sizes to tackle any amount of ice that gets in your way, and its color-coded crystals provide an easy way to measure and dispense the right amount. This winter, go with Joe and melt ice right. Melt Environmentally Friendly Blend from Snow Joe. Get equipped.
So this is the Bayite Striker Pro, and we finally have this released after looking at so many different materials. We landed on this high-speed steel, which is harder than a high-carbon steel, and so it allows this edge to be maintained for many years. So this is a very sharp edge, and really the hardness of the steel determines how many sparks you're going to be getting with each strike. You can use all angles on the Striker Pro. So you can do a forward strike like this, or you can angle it back. You can also use the tip like this. It's also ambidextrous, so left-handed use is no problem.
This winter, experience the next generation in snow clearing technology with Snow Joe's Shovolution, the ultimate back-saving snow shovel with spring assist handle. Now you can shovel smarter, not harder, to quickly and easily get snow out of your way. Just spring it and fling it. No more heavy lifting with a traditional shovel. No more back strain. Snow Joe's Shovolution features an ergonomically designed spring assist handle that automatically shifts the lifting leverage to your lower hand, reducing back strain by up to 30%, so you can lift more and throw farther. Make winter cleanup easy. Just spring it and fling it. With Shovolution's patent-pending dual-handle spring-loaded system, you're always ready for the next load. Shovolution captures the expended energy from throwing the snow and rapidly recoils to instantly reset the shovel. Just spring it and fling it. Plus, Snow Joe backs every Shovolution with a full 2-year warranty. So this winter, when it comes to snow, go with Joe. The all-new Chevolution from Snow Joe. Get equipped.
Hey guys, I'm Mike Caffrey with Black Hills UTV, and today we're going to be showing you the Rhino USA 3-inch Ultimate Recovery Tow Strap. If you're an avid off-roader, having a tow strap in your vehicle is a must-have, but the last thing you want is a tow strap that's going to break on you. The Rhino USA 3-inch Ultimate Recovery Tow Strap gives you the peace of mind you can depend on to tow out your truck, UTV, or whatever vehicle if you get stuck or has a mechanical failure. This tow strap has a working strength of over 10,600 pounds and a brake strength of over 31,500 pounds. This strap is made with triple reinforced loop ends, Rhino USA's exclusive polysilk webbing, and has heavy-duty protective sleeves. The Rhino USA 3-inch Ultimate Recovery Tow Strap comes in 20 and 30-foot lengths and simply attaches to your vehicle using a D-ring or soft shackle. All Rhino USA products have a lifetime warranty. They are lab tested in the USA and carry the highest load rating in the industry.